Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up Sling TV's MultiView in just 3 easy steps. Now, there is a catch. In 2026, Sling uses curated collections instead of a pick and mix builder to keep your stream stable. By grouping channels like ESPN and FS1 on their servers, Sling ensures you get a smooth experience even on budget hardware. Step 1. Verify your device. This feature is optimized for Fire TV, Google TV, and newer Samsung Smart TVs. Make sure your app is updated to the latest 2026 version. Roku and Apple TV users, hang tight, your update is still pending. Step 2. Launch the app and head to the Home tab. You do not need to enable anything in settings. Scroll down until you see the Sports View or Multi-View row. It appears dynamically during major sports windows. Pick your setup. Sling Orange viewers get the ESPN grid, while Blue users see FS1, TBS, and TNT configurations. Step 3. Mastery. All 4 streams play at once, but you control exactly what you hear. Use your remote's D-pad to move the white border. The audio automatically follows wherever you highlight. If a game gets intense, just hit select to go full screen. Press back to return to your quad view immediately. New for 2026. You can now grab 1-day or 3-day passes specifically for these multi-view events without a monthly sub. Pro tip, use the hide channels feature to remove free ad-supported content. It makes finding multi-view rows way faster. And that is it. You are now ready for the ultimate game day experience with total control over every stream. For more quick tech guides that actually save you time, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I will see you in the next one.